gosh, I don't think I've ever seen a penguin for the bar. This would be a great conversation starter when you're drinking, for sure. I don't want to make this a light, but I would totally suspend that from the wall in a really cool way. Hi, I'm Angie Summerlot, the newest agent on the REMAX Indie Home Pros team, and I wanted to take you to one of my favorite spots to antique, the Carmel Old Town Antique Mall. Today we're going to find 3 different items, items that you can use just as they are that are really unique pieces for the home. Items that you look at and they might be one thing, but you can totally turn them into something else, and vintage that we're going to make new again. So come on, let's take a look inside. My favorite. I got a yeah, absolutely love lighting. That's what I'm always kind of drawn to. I always try to look for things that maybe aren't a light but can be a light. When I look at this piece, I think potentially, obviously, it's got that whole chrome kind of man cave kind of vibe. But depending on what you were doing in a kitchen or a bathroom, really, especially, if you wanted to have some more unique pieces, I really feel like this to me is that statement piece. Oh my gosh, I would have never thought that this could have been a light, but then you see the possibilities of it. And it's that conversation piece when you walk into a home too, which is so important. When you bringing in buyers into your home, sometimes little things like that can make a big difference. I just walked up here too. This totally reminds me of a piece that my grandmother had, though. It really does. I think it kind of coordinates with my outfit too. No. Oh my gosh, I don't think I've ever seen a penguin for the bar, but how cute would that be on the bar, in the house? This would be a great conversation starter when you're drinking, for sure. I know this is a room divider, but I'm thinking that I might have to turn this into a headboard, especially with all the different colors that you could totally pull out from that. Whether this was in the living room or you turn it into your headboard, there's just so many different ways that you could use this piece. So this is going into the I might end up buying this today category. Today, one of my finds was this unique penguin that I'm going to be adding to my bar, but just like this unique penguin, we can find your unique home that's going to be just right for you. We can find your penguin.